In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file in Google Sheets. If you've received a CSV from another app and you want the data to land neatly in the right columns, this is the cleanest, most reliable way to bring it into Google Sheets. A quick refresher: a CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a plain text file where each line represents a row and each value in that row is separated by a specific character, often a comma, but sometimes a tab or a semicolon. Because CSVs are simple and widely supported, they're great for moving data between systems, provided you import them correctly. Start by opening Google Sheets and head to the File menu. Choose Import, just like you would with an Excel file. In the Import window, upload your CSV. You can browse for it, or simply drag and drop the file from your desktop into the window. Drag and drop is quick, and it works exactly the same as manually selecting the file. Here's the most important part to keep your columns intact. Leave the separator type set to detect automatically. Don't force it to commas or tabs unless you're absolutely certain and have a specific reason. Letting Google Sheets detect the separator ensures it figures out whether your file uses commas, tabs, or semicolons, and then places each value into its own column correctly. This automatic detection dramatically reduces the chance of values getting jammed into one column or split across too many. Think of it this way: the separator is the clue that tells Sheets where one value ends and the next begins. Different tools export CSVs differently, and sometimes what looks like a standard comma-separated file actually uses tabs or semicolons. By leaving detection on, you're letting Sheets read the file structure and adapt to it, so headers, names, numbers, and other fields align just the way they were intended. After the import, take a quick look down your first few rows. If your headers are in one row and each piece of information sits in its own column, you're good to go. If anything looks off, the most common cause is a mismatched separator in the source file, so double-check that you kept Detect automatically selected. If you still see issues, the source might mix separators or contain unusual formatting, and it's worth reviewing how that file was generated before trying again. That's it. Upload your CSV through File and Import, use drag and drop if you prefer, and most importantly, leave the separator type on Detect automatically. Your columns will thank you.